We'll continue with expansion one. Not expansion, factorization. How many questions are left in this? 8 and 9. Okay, we'll wait for 2 minutes. Let them join. Is there school or meeting anything today? Nothing, right? Okay, we'll start early. Which question you have to do? Hmm? There's only 9 questions. 8th and 9th, right? X square plus ax square plus 1 into x. See, open the bracket. Ali. If you open a square x square, this x you multiply. See, this x is nothing but you can write it in the beginning as well, like this. So when you open the bracket, what do you get? Plus ax cube plus x into 1 is x plus a. Clear? Now look at these two. Take these two and group it because it has a and a in it. You can take these two or you can even take these two, no problem. I'll take the first and the third. X is given for both, right? Can you see second and third, first and fourth? Complete this. I've arranged it. Group it. Okay, when you group it, what is common earlier? What do you get? How can you cancel? You have to take, yes, not a square x square. Only one a gets reduced, right? Mm. Next, into, okay. You try the second one. Put y in the beginning. Like, can you see x I put in the beginning and open the bracket? Yeah. Put y in the beginning, open the bracket. Yes, Alia done? Yeah, can you explain how do you write this? First put y in the beginning. Write it like this. Okay? Yeah, explain this. Hmm. Okay, next. Y by. No, I mean not like that. Anyone is, see, you can even take these two, right? It has y in it. You can take these two, it has b in it. Okay. See, correct. What you told is right. Even if you take this, can you see one term is common? Even if you take, ah, fine. Whatever you did is correct. Y square. You can take even this. You did like this. Okay. What is common? Y you get minus. Take the first sign. Yes. Always go with the first sign minus. Not plus b. If you reduce it, I told you this bracket should be same, right? Bracket should be same. Def Only then you can take out y minus b into. See, you have done a mistake there earlier. Try this again. Tell me what's the first sign? Minus. What is common? How do you take out the remainder? How do you find the remainder? You have to take minus ay divided by minus a. Next, plus ab divided by. Yes. That's the step you're missing out. That's the reason you're not getting right answer. Now minus minus gets cancelled. A gets cancelled. What is left? Y. Next, what is plus into minus? Can you see we're getting minus? B. Are the brackets same? Take y minus b. What's the remainder? Completed? Okay. Second exercise will start on Monday, 5B. Now we'll do some revision. Okay. Have we done till here? Okay. We'll do some revision now. 5B will start Monday. Revision is, before this, which chapter we had done? Expansion, right? Expansion. Mean median expansion. Okay. Okay. We'll do some expansion question. Do you remember the formulas? Okay. Tell me the formula. Sorry. Question earlier. We will start with sixth question. Look at the sixth one. What's the degree given? A minus b is how much? A minus b is 4. Next, a plus b is 6. You need to find a square plus b square and ab. Okay. Look at the first question. When both the degrees are given, look at both the degrees are how much? What's the degree for both? 1. If both the degrees are 1, there's only two things I told you. One, you can either add them or you can subtract it. You don't refer notes or anything. Look at the screen and tell me. Can you see AB is given? Whenever A plus B and A minus B is given, or A plus B is given, or A minus B is asked, what's the degree, Alia? Degree is 1, right? Yeah, whenever degree is 1, you take both and square, you can add them and subtract them. If you add, what do you get? What formula do you get? 2 into B square. If you subtract, correct, 4, very good, 4AB. So for the first question, what is required? Can you see 2 into A square plus B square? And for the second question, what is required? 4AB. So if you want to find the first one, do we need to add or subtract them? Add them. What do you need to add first? Always take a plus b whole square plus, unmute it unless you complete, don't mute the call. What's the other one left? What do you mean? What's the other one? Is equal to? Tell me the next step. Hmm. Okay, if you solve this, which value we get? A square plus b square. Tell me the next one. If you want to find AB, then which formula we use? If you want to find AB. See, are you referring notes? You're turning pages. Look at the screen and answer earlier. If not, you won't understand. If you're just referring and telling, you won't understand. If you want to find AB, do we add or subtract them? Okay, first which one I have to take? Whole square. Next, you told me you have to subtract, right? See, the thing is, you're trying to refer notes, Alia. You're turning pages. Just ignore that. Just ignore. If you want to find AB, okay. If you want to find AB, do we add or subtract? That's the question. You subtract it. Which two are we subtracting? What is the question? These two only we have to subtract, right? Put a plus b the whole square. Then in the other bracket, if you subtract, what do you get? That's it. Do we have all three values now? A, b, a minus b, and ab is asked, right? What is a plus b value? 6 square. What is a minus b? If you solve this, which value you get? Not 4ab. J- just ab value. Ignore 4. See, 4 you're going to anyway divide, right? For AB, okay, I heard it as 4AB. Okay. Can you see if you solve this, you'll get AB, and if you solve this, you'll get A square plus B square. See, don't memorize earlier. Don't memorize first. Understand. When the degree is 1, there's only two options. When both the degrees are 1, what are the two options we have? We either add them or. Oh, you should know if you add what you get, then subtract what you get. Completed. Okay, tell me the answer, Alia. Oh, you can do it directly. Once you write 52, just bring 2 down. Okay. The answer is 26. Next year. Okay, just bring this 4 down. Within one step you can complete. Okay. 36 minus 16 is 20 divided by 4 is A base. Clear? Okay, next question. You concentrate, this is revision. If not, you'll forget. Okay. Look at the seventh question, Alia. Only the first exercise is tough. Second, third, all those are easy. A plus 1 by A is equal to how much? 6. What do we need to find? A minus 1 by A and A square. Okay. If you want to find A plus 1 by A minus 1 by A, what's the degree? Just compare these two. What's the degree we have? Degree is 1. Whenever degree is 1, what are the two options we have? Subtracting it. But whenever the denominator is also given, can you see 1 by A is given denominator A? Always go with subtraction first. Clear? So how do you subtract? If you subtract, what do you get? Very good. Keep this as it is. Now what should I add here? A plus 1 by A minus. Okay, what is A plus 1 by A? A minus 1 by A is not given. Keep it as it is. Reduce A and A, we get 4. Complete this. And this one, how does this formula look like? No, no. Take this as A. Put minus as it is. Take this as B. How does this formula? Yes. What is A square minus B square? You forgot. You're laughing, Alia. You forgot the answer. You're laughing. How come? Last week only we did. What is A square minus B square? Concept for A square minus B square is equal to. Teacher will give formula during test. Oh, by writing itself. Okay. See, you have to memorize this. A square minus B square is how much? A plus B into A minus B. First memorize this. Now do you remember this? Uh, Without formula you can't solve it. It's not possible. Okay, now how do you write it? Instead of B, 1 by A is given. A plus 1 by A into. First solve this. If you solve, what answer are you getting from this? You get. No, no, just this. What answer you get? What are we solving this for? To get A minus. Okay, then if you can substitute your right, what is A plus 1 by A given in the question? 6 into. Now whatever you find, you have to substitute it. Then you'll get the final answer, right? Completed. Okay, tell me the answer for this. How did you solve? Next step, next step. Put -4. This minus goes to the other side, becomes yes. Next, √32. What is √32? Very good. 4 root 2 if you simplify. Use this 4 root 2 here. Here. Just multiply 4 root 2, 6 4s are 24. So whenever degree 1 is there, only two options, right? Okay, that's it. Clear? Okay, next one. Next one is eighth one is the same. 10th one. How do you solve the ninth and 10th? Both are similar one. We'll solve the 10th. Okay, we need to find a minus 1 by a and a plus 1 by a and a square minus 1 by a square. Yes. Explain this Raj. In the question, what is given? We have, see, this time we have both. We have square degree. First, tell me the degree. And also 1, right? When both square and 1 is given, and can you see in all the question there's a denominator? That is how this is what you have to observe. When everything has denominator, just divide this entire thing by a. Or you can do it directly like this. And divide all 3 by a. Then what do you get? 0. I just need a minus 1 by a for the first question. Very good. 1 by a is equal to 5. Next. What about the second question? What's the degree asked for the second question? What's the degree? Degree 1. So whenever the degree is 1 and whatever value we got, what is the degree for both? 1. Whenever the degree is 1, we have only two options. You either add or subtract. But when there is denominator, what do you do? Denominator. Whenever there is denominator along with it, we always subtract. Clear? What are the things you have to subtract, Alia? Be quick. So when you subtract, what are we getting? What is for AB here? A into what, A to 5? What is AB here? What is B value? In both the questions, is B given, or in place of B, what is given? See, nothing is confusing earlier. First, concentrate. What is the question they have asked us to find? A plus 1 by A, right? For A plus 1 by A, degree is 1. When degree is 1, we either add or subtract. So now subtract it. How do you subtract? A plus 1 by A the whole square. What formula do you get? 4 into AB. Is B there here? Yes. In place of B, what are you supposed to write? Just 1 by A. Tell me, what is it? Confusion is. Why are you feeling confused? Now it's easy. Simple. Why did we use this formula? Can you explain again? Why did I use minus? Very good. The reason I told denominator is, can you see? Denominators are same, it gets cancelled, right? That's the reason always when denominator is given, go with minus. Now what is A plus 1 by A? That is what we need to find. What is A minus 1 by A? Solve this completed. Oh, explain also. Root 29. Okay. Answer. What about the third question? Observe the degree and tell me. How does the third question look like? That's it. Very good. So first degree was 1. We used this formula, right? Now degree is 2 and there is minus. It looks like A square minus B square. What is A plus 1 by A? Root 29. What is A minus 1 by A? 5. 5 root. Oh. If you see, if you're answering, you're able to solve. During normal class, when others are there, you're silent. That's why you're struggling. Any doubt? So you have to answer earlier. You shouldn't see whether other students are there. You shouldn't see all that. Only if you open your mouth and answer, you'll understand. You see, even if you give wrong answer, I can teach you, right? No problem. You give wrong answer, no problem. Only then you'll learn. If you're silent, you think you know everything, and that is you'll make mistake. Clear? Oh, next one. That's it. We'll go with the next exercise. 4b. You know a plus b the whole cube, a minus b the whole cube. Cube question. What is a plus b the whole cube? A cube. So you're not telling the formula. You forgot. A cube plus b cube. C cube, D cube. Where is C there? What? You're telling C cube. Where is C there? But hardly 1 week, so soon you forgot the formula. A cube plus B cube plus 3AB into what? This formula for this, you're giving wrong answer. Tell me what is A minus B the whole cube? Everything is minus. Without knowing this, last week test, how did you do? Huh? Last week you referred? Any ref? No? Then now why you're not answering earlier? Even formulas you're not answering. Okay. Use this formula. Try the third question. What is third question? 2a plus 1 by 2 you have to cube it. Complete this. Try the third and fourth one. Fourth one is 3a minus 1 by a. Try both the questions. What's the answer? Are you done? Okay, tell me, how do you solve? How did you do it? No, 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute. 2a into 1 by q into plus, okay, then into 2a plus, okay. How do you solve this? What's the next step? Now open the bracket. Very good. Next one. Did you complete the next one? Okay, tell me the next one. Yeah, along with the formula. Okay. 27 a cube minus 1 by a cube. 3a minus. Hmm. Okay, that is fine. Which one gets cancelled? 27 a cube minus 1 by a cube minus 3 into 3 is how much? 9 plus, not 1 by a. 3 should get multiplied to both. No, no. How can you do like terms here? Why like terms? Simple concept, Alia. You have to just multiply. Why are you using like terms concept here? Is like terms required? No. Minus 3 threes are 9a. Minus into minus is plus. That's it. Clear? Okay. Try these two questions for homework. Can you see the first and second question? Try that for homework and attend on Monday. Monday will continue with next chapter. Next exercise from factorizing. Okay.